What's up, everybody? It's Russell and Tom here. I'm Tom, this is Russell, and today's What the Truck Wednesday. And today we're going to talk about a truck that we hardly ever talk about. I don't know why, but today we're going to talk a little about parts for the Titan XD, maintenance parts.
Yeah.
If you have one and you've done maintenance on it, you know there's a lot of filters to replace, and they're not cheap until now.
Yeah, and obviously if you own a diesel, you're maintaining it because it's going to last forever.
Right.
I don't know. I wonder what the highest mileage is on that Cummins motor in that truck at this point.
I'm going to throw a number out there.
Yeah.
And you can say yes or no.
Okay.
A gazillion miles.
Without a doubt.
Okay.
100%.
Yeah, so we got Titan XD stuff, Nissan Frontier, new stuff for us.
Yes.
And a little accessory for the Titan XD. So let's jump into these filters.
Mm-hmm.
Oil filter, cabin air filter, I forgot to grab the actual air filter, and then 2 diesel filters.
Okay.
Can I just rattle off some prices?
Yeah. If you're watching this video, though, the pricing is of publishing.
Today.
Could change tomorrow.
It could change by the time you're done watching this video, so jump on these special pricing. All right, so the oil filter, regular price on this is $20 MSRP. We're blowing them out, $13.80.
Wow.
Right?
It's almost half off.
Yeah, it's crazy, wacky, wild Wednesday prices. Cabin air filter, normally $41.02. $28.30, right?
Nice.
As I mentioned, 2 diesel filters. The first one, normally $74.93. Our price, $51.70.
Yeah.
Finally, the other diesel filter, normally $60.75. Our price, $41.92. So you can call around. Check your local dealer price, and I guarantee you they're not even going to get close. Even with shipping on this stuff, you're going to be saving money.
Yeah. So here's one thing I will say. The cabin filter. So the cabin filter you have there is an early model cabin filter. It will fit all of them.
Yep.
But it's the early model. 1 or 2 years in, Nissan started putting a carbon filter in there because people were complaining that they could smell the fumes. So if you have an earlier model and you smell the fumes, you don't like it, upgrade to the carbon. It obviously costs more. Yeah, I don't have the price, but...
And the reason I didn't bring it in here is because we're sold out right now. But we're going to insert the part number right along here.
Yeah.
Russell likes it when I make him do all these extra things.
Extra steps. I try to skimp.
That number right there, that's the carbon activated or charcoal activated, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Cabin filter.
You got some accessories that you wanted to talk about. Now I'm going to pop this open, so hold off on this one until we get it.
All right. So talking about low prices as usual, off-road adventure kit. That can go in anything. Life's an adventure. You can put that in your backpack when you're
necessity.
It's got a shovel in there.
Yeah.
If you're out in the woods and you care about where you go poop, you can just dig a little hole.
But if you're like me, you're good at digging a hole. You don't need a shovel. You can dig your own hole, right?
All day long. Front tow hooks. We'll talk about those later. And then also for the Titan, there's a backseat charging port.
Yeah.
So if you got people sitting back there staring at their phones, their Nintendo Switches, complaining that they're out of battery.
Yeah.
Or if you just want to keep everybody quiet on a long road trip, you want those batteries to last. Should I give these part numbers, Russell, or you want to pop them up there?
Yeah, they'll pop the number up, and we'll also have
in the
description. There'll be links.
Good.
Yeah. Were you done?
I'm done with that part of it. Yeah.
Probably don't know what this is because it's in a bag. You can't see it. Did you know they came in these bags?
If that's what I think it is. I didn't realize they were nice like that, though.
Yeah. This is your... Oh, my goodness. How do you get this out of here?
Very carefully.
It's in a box. This is your Gooseneck kit. So if you have a Titan XD that has the Gooseneck hitch, this is... You're going to want this. obviously, if you're using a gooseneck.
Yeah, so look, can I rattle off some facts
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Question, what models are compatible with the gooseneck ball and anchor kit? And Nissan says this kit is specifically designed for Titan XD models equipped with a gooseneck hitch. So Russell, you already touched on that.
Yep.
What is included in the gooseneck ball and anchor kit? Sturdy gooseneck ball, a hitch pin, and trailer hitch receiver tube. You see that in there?
No.
No. Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, that's...
Let's see. This kit includes a sturdy gooseneck ball, which we see.
You need to throw those away.
Yeah.
Nissan's notes are wrong.
What the heck is Nissan doing?
Nissan, what are you doing?
This is a great question. This is so good that it doesn't even need to be in here. Is the gooseneck ball and anchor kit durable?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
The kit is made with durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. Why are we relying on Nissan's
You know,
questions and answers?
the real question is, here you go. Can this kit protect you in the event that someone is attacking you? Yes, because you could throw it at them.
Yes.
And this thing weighs like 5 pounds.
It is deadly. These questions just keep getting worse and worse. I'm embarrassed for myself and for Nissan.
Tom printed these notes off of the Nissan website, and now we're reading them and realizing that we should have made our own.
We would have done better if we read our own. Listen to this one. Can I use this kit for heavy loads?
No.
Absolutely. This kit is ideal for towing heavy loads such as boat trailers.
Yeah. Around here, what people I've talked to a handful of people who come to the front counter, and what they're hauling around is horse trailers.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
This is the last question. I should have known better. This is all going to get cut out of the video. Is this a genuine Nissan part?
I'm leaving it in there.
I hope it is.
Yeah, if you buy it from us, it will be.
Yeah.
I can't promise from anyone else, but without further ado, let's move on to something else now. But there'll be a link in the description for the Gooseneck kit if you need one. I don't know why all the trucks didn't come with them if it had the hitch, but that's just how you do it, you know?
Yeah. Well, they make up for it by selling you a tow mode switch for a Frontier for $12.
That's right.
All right, so speaking of Frontier.
Yeah. Tom got some new merch in from Nissan.
The gunmetal Frontier insulated tumbler.
You know, what do you recognize these lines from? There was something that you recently sent out to a customer that had these lines, that had a ring.
Oh, yeah, like the Nismo struts.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I don't know if they did that on purpose, but
I doubt it.
That's what, yeah. I mean, it works. Good job, whoever.
And I just want to say, when these came in, I wanted to get a good look at them, and they had this lid on here torqued down to about 500 foot-pounds. I had to go to 3 different people before we could get it off,
Really?
but now it's ready to go.
Yeah.
Adrian, the shop foreman,
He's got the strong.
he had the strength.
Nice. And then we got this Frontier trucker hat. The ones we have now have the Nissan logo on the back. You never know what the next shipment may or may not have that on there. I'm actually surprised that that logo turned out as well as it did on this mesh.
Yeah.
But they did it. Technology. Where is that?
Myanmar? I think it's close to India.
Okay. I've never seen that.
Myanmar, yeah. I think it's
Cool.
over by India and all that.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah. Any of y'all from there?
Maybe it's Myanmar.
I don't
I
know.
feel like it used to be called something else. Was it called Burma a long time ago?
Ooh.
I think.
I've heard of Burma,
Yeah.
so maybe.
Right. We'll have Nissan look into it and they can tell us.
Yeah. Yeah. They should start putting made in with like coordinates.
They should do that for all the off-road stuff. All the stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. I think that's it. Right.
Yeah, that's it. What the Truck Wednesday. We're gonna go live here soon, guys.
Yeah,
we're
that's
working
right.
on it. We have everything we need to do it. We're prepared.
We're just not mentally
Technically prepared.
Yeah. Mentally, we're not prepared.
Yeah, we don't know what to expect from all you wild What the Truck Wednesday fans.
Tom's tip of the day is coming back.
Yes.
And it's not going to be consistently related to cars or trucks or anything. It's just going to be a hot tip.
Nissan parts life hacks.
Yes. So that's it. The sale is still going on as of today,
Yeah.
Wednesday, whatever today's date is. But that is subject to change at any time.
Yeah.
So get in with the orders, save money, come back on Friday and see us, and I guarantee you we will not use any more of Nissan's
No.
ridiculous questions and answers and facts.
If you are a representative at Nissan North America, if you want to reach out to me and Tom, we can help you fill these
Yes.
sections out about your parts.
Yeah.
This is a cry for help from you to me, and then I'm saying I'll help you if you'll just do it.
Because you're making me look bad when I read this stuff off. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. And we will be back on Friday. And take care.
Yeah. Bye. Okay. Well, you're on.
Yeah, is my money code?
Huh? Yeah. You're all set up.
What's up, everybody? You were getting ready to say something.